How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 71 Buick Skylark Convertible. It's got 85,000 miles on the car. It's had one repaint. It's factory color, dusk beige. Very nice car, guys. It's original grille and headlight bezels. Front bumper's been re-chromed. Car's nice straight down the sides. It's got the factory Buick rallies with BFGs. All the panel fitment and everything on the car is very nice. Rear bumper's been all re-chromed. It's got the parade boot. Got a white vinyl or convertible top that you'll see in the other photos. It's power top, works perfectly. It's got the glass rear window. This is the original. Numbers match, 350. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. Car's all original, just very nice car. Got this from an older gentleman down in Illinois. Just got to the point that he was looking to do something different. The interior in the car is gorgeous. Excellent condition. Dash is all real nice. Clock works. They did a AM/FM CD stereo, nicely mounted in the dash. Also has the old 8-track player. Actually works. It's got a Bob Seger tape in it. We do have a spare tire for it. This trunk looks real good and solid. Car's all the original panels. It's been painted, I believe, 10 years. So it does have a few little apologies. Car rides just beautiful down the road. They did the kick panel speakers, real nice. See the 8-track player and the CD player. It's got tilt wheel. It's got the sport wheel. I tell you, these old Buicks just ride down the road so nice. Hey, everything in the car works like it should. It's got nice dual exhaust. I believe they're Flowmasters out the back and in the stock location. A good sound out the exhaust. It's a very nice car, great cruiser. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.